here's the dirty, raw, super mean, angry bird. Just start with a little beat. Oh yeah, this is that kick. Snare sounds fire. I'm gonna take that snare. There's any loops? Oh, yep, there they are. See what this sounds like. With this one. Ooh. Sounding pretty dope. I'm gonna chop these up and see what we get out of it. This one. This one. Now that we kind of have a little bird one shot, we'll make it loud and then build some chords. We'll just start making a song. Let's see what she sounds like with some verbs. Big verbs? Big verbs or medium verbs? Let's do some of these with the delays. Oh gosh. Delayed bird. Alright, so first we gotta work on melodic eagle. Ooh. Ooh. Oh! Does it even sound like a bird anymore? Let's add a saturator on the birdie. What note are you? Let's make a bass line real quick. And we'll get some birds in. Alright, so we're gonna do 2 layers. A simple sub and a guitar bass. Of what you know about a guitar bass. A guitar bass! Oh yeah. This is the type of bass you could take home to your mother. And wrap it up as a cherry pie, but surprise it and say, Ma, this ain't no cherry pie. This is some high quality, low frequency. We're gonna be like boom, 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 boom. Okay, we can do it. You know, you just gotta add a little bit of groove. I'm sure you guys are wondering, where's the hi-hat? You just said there was no hi-hat. What the hi-hat? Gotta get our birdie. Yeah, just like that. That's a bird. Hold up. I don't know what I'm even looking for. I don't know what I'm even looking for. We need just some white noise. I don't like that noise. Yeah. We need a nice feel right here. We need the bass wub. Oh, mighty. Here. Right here. So deep. It'll start, the drum will be like, I'm a bird and I love it. Let's hear how this sounds again. Alright, cool. The Dream Glock. Sounds appropriate. Now we're going to half time it, make it sound atmospheric. it's a kick. I'm gonna auto filter the kick. Look at Ableton, she's so freaking beautiful. The way she just records like that for me. She don't take me. Where it came from. Yo, we're just gonna go from like mid-wet to like super wet. Oh, okay. Yo, 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 yo. Eagle. I think. All delayed. Eagle. Yep, that's it. We got down, clap, down, clap, tap, clap, 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 clap. Right there. Eagle. I am the bird, I am. Oh yeah, right here. I am the bird, man. Yeah. I am the Birdman, jiggy with it. Eagle. Pop, 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 pop. And we're gonna build it. Getting this. Perfect. Oh yeah, sub drop right there. Boom. Yeah, like that. Instead of C, we want D2, but we gotta go down an octave and then up 2. Perfect. We're gonna do super reverb bird. Jiggy with it. I am the Birdman, jiggy with it. mostly.
I am the Birdman, jiggy with it. Eagle. Are you ready for the roughneck bass?
Oh, we can't forget the birds at the end. I think we're done. Run it back.
Eagle. Eagle. Eagle.
Come on. You got this.
I am the Birdman, jiggy with it. Bird. Jiggy with it. Bird. Are you ready for the roughneck bass?
And that concludes the bird song. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. More videos coming soon. Peace out.